Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your OPPO A6x. So first, what you guys want to do is make sure to adjust your brightness in these settings. So open up these settings. Now in those settings, go to display and brightness. Make sure to disable auto brightness right here because it will mess up whatever brightness you set. And now, as you guys can see, you can adjust it by sliding with your finger. As you guys can see, you guys can do that. Now if you put it too low, then of course it may or may not be flickering, so be careful with it. And next, what you guys want to do is download the screen dimming app from the Play Store. So let me quickly sign in and I'll get back to you. Now, after opening the Play Store, go to search and type in screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. Here we're going to download the first app, this app right here, so wait for it to load. Make sure that it's by Ruhex and that it has 4.4 stars of reviews and 100k plus downloads. You just click on install right here. It's only 1.5 megabytes, so it should install pretty quickly, but as you guys can see, it's still loading, so I'll see you guys once it's done. So now we're gonna open it and we're gonna grant some permissions. The first one, to modify the system settings, to make sure that it changes our brightness. Now the next one, accessibility. Here we go to downloaded apps in the general, and this is so whenever we rotate our screen, change the overlay or open up a keyboard, then the brightness stays the same. Now we're gonna go here and click grant permission. We're gonna click allow and tap the check mark. Now we can click enable service, and as you guys can see, it's definitely working. So here you guys can have fun with it, and if you don't want it anymore, you just tap on the switch right here and then make sure that you change your brightness right here. Now as a last resort, what you guys can do is check for software updates. So go over to the settings, and right here we want to scroll down to system and update. We're going to click software update, and my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.